Who needs a Samoan? Huh? Hold on. Teacher. Oh, jeez.
Nah, it's fine. It's solid.
Yeah.
That's big brain.
No, for no more break. Yeah, what kind
Hey,
of is that? You my boss?
Hey, we're not on the job site. Right? Yeah, you get 2 more tries, dog.
2 more? I don't know about 2 more.
Yeah, I'll give you 3 more then.
Ooh, yeah. Came all the way over.
Yeah, this is what we do. Oh, this is what he do.
Okay, wait, give a little bit of stick.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
So that works.
And that's how you hustle coconut with your head. See, that's how you use your head. No
yeah,
soul
that's the right
needed.
way for you.
No soul needed.